last note, Darlene, of course, I'd like to ask you about the Skywalker, Samboy Lim. To those who may not be aware, Darlene is the ex-wife of Samboy Lim, and ikaw pa rin ang ikaw pa rin yung nag-aalaga, nagmamonitor, and you have a daughter with Samboy Lim. How is he?
Okay. He's still in the hospital. So, the last news bulletin that we came out with, we said that we are preparing him for continuing care at home. So, pero hindi pa rin kami nakakalabas. So, we're still waiting for more purposeful movements to be shown by Samboy, but we've seen improvements, such as he has been opening his eyes.
Is that a first? Yung pag-open
yes,
niya ng
well,
mata niya?
na-observe namin 2 weeks ago, and then
Nakakakita siya.
sa ngayon parang hindi pa, so but I think that or I hope that, of course, such milestone will start from the opening of the eyes. Kasi may iba naman na patients na they could not even open their eyes. And then in the first 3 weeks, he didn't have any response to pain when you pinch, so there are certain tests. But now, there is movement, so at least it shows us na hindi paralyzed. So,
nakakaramdam na siya at the
yun ang aming pakiramdam, and then yun ang aming na-observe, and we always report it to the doctor. So we're still hoping, and even the doctors are surprised with the maybe small milestones or small improvements, but they are improvements nonetheless, because we believe that so many people are praying. So, and yun nga ang sabi ko, the heavens cannot not listen to such prayers. So I'm thankful also for the people who have been helping the family. So I've been designated to raise funds for his medical condition. Thank you so much for the people. And when I text them, they don't know me, they respond, and I really I know that Samboy is really well loved, but this lifts the family to know that so many people are really out there to pray and to support us in this very trying time. So please continue to pray, and with the willpower of Samboy, malakas ang loob niyan So wala akong duda, kung doon lang nakabase yon, alam ko he will be able to recover.
How old is he?
He's 52. He's going to turn 53 in April this year.
Oh, it's his birthday?
Yes, April 1.
But just the last question, Darlene. If you take him home, is there a timeline that you're looking at, maybe in a month, in 2 months?
Okay.
O wala pa talaga?
In fact, kami, nag-uusap na kami ng mga doctors. So like in the next week or 2 weeks from now, may mga konti na lang tinatapos na antibiotic treatment, and merong physical therapy na ginagawa sa kanya to train him to be upright and to be able to sit. Natataas na siya. So every day he undergoes physical therapy. So sometimes naabutan namin nung anak ko, so we cheer him up and we say, kayang-kaya mo yan, Dad, and so slowly but surely, so we're really seeing improvements.
So maybe in less than a month, pwede nyo na siyang...
Yes. So we were setting up like a hospital room. We've engaged the around-the-clock nursing care. We've engaged a doctor who will do home visits, physical therapy at home. So sana wag mag-alala yung mga nagmamahal kay Samboy that we're doing our best. Ang kanyang doktor more than 10. Talagang kahaba-haba ng listahan ng doktor, but many people are taking care of him.
We're rooting for him. So many people love him, and of course the news kasi that we hear excuse me, are very, medyo hindi siya mahaba, hindi siya very detailed, and I think, of course, with respect to the family, and we thank you for at least answering that question, because a lot of people love him, remember him, and are wondering about him. So continued prayers, I'm sure, will be helpful. And tama, sabi mo yung willpower niya.
Yes, si Samboy, I can say that he's really one of the best human beings that I've known. Ang puso niyan ay hindi talaga talagang kung ano yung nakikita sa kanya, siguro doble pa, lalo na dun sa mga malalapit na tao sa kanya. napakabuting tao. So, para sa akin, ano yan, may good karma sa kanya. I'm sure na makaka-recover si Skywalker.
Darating din yan. Darlene, thank you so much for coming over, explaining all this, the intrigue, at least the controversial, these statements by Senator Trillanes, of course, answering Senator Cayetano also's allegation. Also, of course, the good news to those who are 65 years and older, please, they're forcing you, claim your money in Pag-ibig, and of course, an update on the Skywalker Samboy Lane. Darlene, thank you, and of course, good luck to Pag-ibig. You have, well, I see, maybe it's 2016, maybe, or maybe even forward after that, more so after that.
Sige, one day at a time na lamang muna ako. So, basta gawin lang namin ang trabaho ng matapat. Thank you also,
Darlene,
thank you for having
so
me.
much. U.S. investigators stand by their claim that North Korea is to blame for the cyber attack on Sony Pictures, and find out why government is cutting its growth target for this year. Morning at ANC. We'll be right back.